Today's video is about improving the print quality coming out of your brother MFC-J6930dw. This also corresponds to the MFC-J6730dw, the MFC-J6530dw, and anything in the 5300 series, so the 5330 and the 5370dw series. So to begin with, we will push the inks down here, then we will go to improve print quality. We will then check the print quality of the printer and we will press start. And here we have a printer. It prints a grid pattern of what the printer is producing. So if we have a look, we can see this printer has been sitting stationary for a long period of time, and all the colors have mixed together and everything is printing basically black. So our next move is the printer will ask us, check the print quality. Are there any dotted lines missing? We say yes. Now, these are the samples the machine requests you to say. So you look at the grid patterns on the sheet of paper and you push one that's the nearest to your choice. So in magenta we'll say this one because it's pretty poor, cyan will say this one because it's pretty poor, yellow this one, and black we will do this one as well, and then we will press start. Now in this case the machine doesn't have enough ink to complete the task, so I will go and replace these inks before we move on to the next step. Now, it is very important that when your printer has told you that there is not enough ink to do the cleaning function, that you do not proceed any further. You press the red X to stop the cleaning process, press the home button if it hasn't gotten back to the home screen, and then you proceed to change the cartridges that the machine has told you that it doesn't have enough ink in order to do the cleaning function. So in our case, it was pretty much all of the color cartridges. So I will now just change each of the color cartridges as required. Okay, so I've now changed the inks. The machine now has enough ink to do the cleaning function. So once again, we will do the cleaning function. So we will push on the ink levels. We will then push on improve print quality. Check print quality, and we will start the test pattern again. We get our print chart out. We know the print quality is going to be very, very poor. And now we will move on to doing the actual cleaning. Are there any dotted lines? We say yes. We choose the image that's the closest to what we have and press start, and now the machine will go through the cleaning function. So in those check boxes, if you had chosen the top one which only had a few missing lines, the cleaning process would be quite quick because the machine won't clean for very long, and then it will go on to the next step. Because we've chosen the second last one, this cleaning cycle will probably take 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so 4 to 5 minutes have passed. The machine has done the cleaning function. You say check the print nozzles again, then you click start. The machine will now print a test pattern again, and we'll show you the results of the cleaning. So we have a look, and as we can see now, black is perfect, yellow is perfect, blue is perfect, and red is still a little bit iffy. So we will do that cleaning function once more and see if it comes back any better. Yes, so on the magenta we will do this one. On the blue we have perfect, on the yellow we have perfect, and on the black we have perfect. And we will press start. Now you may have to do this 3 or 4 times in succession. If you do find that you get the bulk of your pixels back, don't go overboard with the cleaning, because you are simply sending all of the ink that you paid for straight into a waste bin. The machine can cope with a few pixels not working, and just through the normal course of using your printer day to day, week to week, things combined with household dust, hair, cat hair, dog hair, they will make pixels come and go naturally. It's typically only a brand new printer out of the box that gives you 100% pixels across the entirety of the print head. So in this case our red is a little bit scratchy. We'll do one more cleaning function on this. It may make it better, it may not, but we know as long as we use the printer at least once or twice a week and we have a full load of ink in the ink cartridges, the machine will just naturally fix itself and sort itself out as it dissolves any solids that are stuck in the print nozzles. So if that's helped you out, you can subscribe to the channel below. There is a tip link below if you want to support me making videos showing you how to fix your printers. It's a PayPal link below. Or for those that want to use the YouTube thanks button, I don't encourage it because Google takes over 50% of everything that you donate to us. That's it for today's printer repair video. More to follow shortly. Thanks for watching.